In a small town nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, the sense of community was palpable. The residents prided themselves on their collective spirit, always ready to lend a hand. One of the shining examples of their teamwork was the vibrant community garden that had transformed a vacant lot into a lush oasis. Every Saturday morning, a diverse group of volunteers would gather, armed with gardening tools and boundless energy. There was Rosa, the elderly woman with a green thumb, who shared her wisdom on plant care with the younger folks. Then there was Jack, the local carpenter, who built sturdy benches and flower boxes. Families came with their children, teaching them the joys of nurturing life. This garden wasn't just a source of fresh produce, it was a symbol of unity, a testament to what they could achieve together. Another inspiring story from this town was the annual neighborhood cleanup. Each spring, the residents would join forces to pick up litter, plant trees, and beautify their streets. It wasn't just about the physical work, it was about the camaraderie and the shared sense of achievement. Local businesses would contribute supplies, and everyone from teenagers to retirees played their part. By the end of the day, tired yet content, they would gather for a BBQ, celebrating their cleaner, greener neighborhood. Team sports played a significant role in this community too. The local soccer league brought together people of all ages and backgrounds. Practices and games were more than just competition. They were opportunities to build relationships and foster a sense of belonging. Coaches, often volunteers, instilled values of teamwork, perseverance, and mutual respect. The annual summer tournament was a highlight, with the whole town turning out to cheer and support the players. These examples of group activities, community projects, and collaborative successes illustrate the power of teamwork and collaboration. They show how, by working together, people can achieve greater things and create stronger, more connected communities. This collective effort not only accomplishes practical goals but also builds a foundation of trust, empathy, and mutual respect. Each act of cooperation, no matter how small, contributes to a larger tapestry of unity and strength. In this town, the power of community and teamwork was more than a philosophy, it was a way of life.